Hello everyone. Today I would like to showcase one of our latest advancements, which is the one box for Iveco Eurocargo. Depending on the age of your vehicle, up until now you have had two options. Number one would be to get an entirely new aftermarket type approved one box to make sure you get the best balance between price, performance and quality. Number two would be to take your old one box to a remanufacturing shop where they will cut it apart. They will cut out the old catalysts, weld new catalysts in place, and then weld your one box back together. But the third option right now is to initially get a brand new one box from Dinex, and this no longer has the necessity to do any cutting or welding. Now all you need to do when the time is due for replacement is to undo some series of bolts, undo a few clamps, slide in new type-approved substrates, and then bolt everything back together without even having to do any fixtures to maintain the geometry. Truck owners usually have a choice, and that choice depends not only on the age of the vehicle, but also on how long they expect to keep it. And so in conclusion, we expect this silencer to be the game changer for Euro 6 business. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow us on social media and see you next time.